shiny dinosaur egg.
Huh? Did the egg just move? Whoa! It's shaking! What's inside? Let's find out.
Friends, come quickly. What happened? Look, the egg is glowing. Wow, it's beautiful. Let's see what's inside. We must keep the egg safe. Yeah! Let's build a nest around it. Hold the egg carefully. The storm is strong.
Oh no, the egg is rolling away!
Slowly, don't drop it. We're almost there.
It's hatching!
Wow,
Look, it's coming out!
a baby dinosaur, wow.
Welcome to the world!
Chirp. Hello, friends.
Oh, so cute!
I want my mommy.
We'll help you find your mommy.
Let's go to find Mama.
Ooh, my baby! I missed you so much!
Oh, Mommy, I love you so much.
Best adventure ever! Woohoo! It's fun!
Thank you for watching Krishu Dino Story. The end.
All right, class, let's see what's in the portal. Whoa, is moving. Hold on tight. We're going through. Look, a whole jungle.
Wow, what a beautiful jungle morning. Huh? Someone is crying. I should help. I can't find my mommy.
Don't worry, I'm here.
You are?
Yes, we can look together.
Will you help me find Mommy?
Of course, best buddy.
I'm scared. Hold my hand, we can do it. Look, a crocodile.
I saw your mommy near Berry Hill.
Really, yay! That's great news. Let's go find her.
Good luck.
The storm is scary.
Quick, follow me!
We're safe now.
Thank you, Dino. Wow, look at the rainbow. It's beautiful. Mommy! Mommy!
My baby, I found you. Thank you for helping Tiny. Friends always help friends.
The end.
Let's learn and play with Krishu.